Welcome back to another episode of TTOK, where we're going to look at some bits upon bits. Right, so basically it's got to that point now where, you know, it's time to start working back on the old guild. I'm going to start doing some more bits. So, issues that we've come into so far is basically the battery's dead and she's out of fuel. So, I've got a couple of jerry cans in the garage, and so we've got down to the old battery issue. So normally I'll take the battery off the Fiesta, put it on the Lupo, start the Lupo, let the Lupo run, take the battery off whilst it's running, because obviously it can run by the alternator, blah blah blah, and then yeah. So basically hot swap the battery and then let the battery charge from the alternator.
Takes long.
So going around in my local Alfred's, and basically I've been looking at these charger packs, right? Because before they used to be big boxes like this with 2 jumper cables on them and stuff like that. But now they come in like this charging dock sort of thing. So this is the mid-range one. This is the one like in the middle of their package. They do 3 of these. This is the Halfords Advanced one. This is the Halfords own brand one. They do other ones. They do like these. I think it's called NOCO, but this one is the Halfords Advanced one, lifetime warranty and all that, just go back there if it breaks, whatever. But it claims suitable up to 3 litres. It has a 13,000 amp hour battery apparently, and 2 USB slots and an LED light. So let's dive in. We open up the box, it's like a little flap thing. I think, yeah, little flap. Lovely, that's what you get. So in here, you get the charging bank itself. You know, it's got all the guff on it, 3 litre jump starter. You know, that mega, mate, is telling you big numbers and all that sort of stuff. You know, you got your 2 USB slots, your charging slot, you got your LED light, lovely, and obviously on the side here you got your spring-loaded compartment with a little rubber flap. Jump start, lovely. So what else are we getting in this box? We're getting some cardboard, lovely, and we get some more cardboard. That is amazing. And then you get your booklet, which will tell you some guff, which I'll figure out myself. Anyway, so keep that for later. But in here you get, so yeah, you know, you got, please read instructions. Yeah, well, that's that. So, I mean, and in there you get like some more cardboard and a charging cable. It's micro USB charging, which is quite annoying. So yeah, let's so that goes in there. Oh no. Well, that goes in there. And that's it. Then you can clamp it to your nipples and have a fun time. Bit scruffy, not going to lie. It's because she sat out in the rain for a little bit because I was doing some bits. But I need to get the feds out of the way because I don't want to annoy my neighbours when it's Saturday morning. Right, so, yeah, 2 seconds. Plug it in there. She plugged in. Now it's on. It'll automatically turn on apparently. Easy as pie. Black to black, red to red. Little green light saying connected. Look at that, mate. Yeah.
as I said before, she's dead. But also, enough fuel. So, let's do that now. What a noise. Jesus! That's pretty cool. Right, so we've, you know, jumped a couple of cars already with this, and I really want to put it to the test because it said 3 litre. So we're at my mate's house. Hey, did you see that? Hey! What were you wearing there, bum? Hey, come here, bum. No, what's this?
Oh, this?
What's this?
Oh, little
shit.
TTOK.
Oh, mad. Look at that back of that. Woo! Jesus, and the beanie. And then you got the front logo thing there as well. Check out the store, it's down there, helps out a little bit, do you know what I mean? This stuff don't come for free, it's a bit expensive, not gonna lie. But yeah, let's try and do a thing. So we're here, 2.5. Big old Landy tank. Let's put this to the test. 2.5, so it's in the region, it's 3 litre. Jump to 1.4, jump to 1.6 from flat. Let's see what one. Right, there we go. What's thinking? Great way to go. So this Halfords Advance is reasonably priced. You know, we're going to leave it for a couple of minutes because it's quite a big engine, it's quite a big battery. You know, we're going to give it a couple of ticks and everything. And then we're going to give it a boot and see what happens, and then hopefully we can get a bit of a cinematic on the go for a lovely little turnaround. You know what I mean? But yeah, if you're liking these, remember, like, subscribe, helps a long way, algorithm and all that. Yeah. Well, here we go. That was a forceful unlock as well.
That was
Just get in the thing, bruv, and fucking fire it, man. Here we go. How much diesel we got in this? 10. Oh. That'll be done in 2 seconds, dude. Right, okay, cool. Right, sweet. We're going to leave it for a few minutes. Come back in a sec. Right. That's a big old battery. What was that? What? I mean, that's quite a big old fucking chunk, bro, to be honest.
I know.
That's something that I'll be using if I fucking like had a base build.
It's a marine battery.
Yes, I get that.
Right.
It's not a boat.
What? Well.
Yeah. Don't press buttons, man!
Honestly, I'm sick of everyone shouting at me.
What the fuck is the fucking drop link for, man?
I need you to unlock. There. Now we should have it. Now we should have it.
There could be a fully working car in front of him and there may be a problem. doing that thing. Oh, hold on. I think I got it. It made a clunk.